Now this question says Ali asked 200 students which sport they like best. They could choose swimming or tennis or athletics. The two-way table shows some information about their answers. Now this is the two-way table and we're asked complete the two-way table. This is just basically simple addition and subtraction. Now we're going to treat it as completing the table question. Okay, completing a table question. Now the tactics about completing this table is that we have to look for rows or columns that have just one value missing. Okay, those are the ones that can be easily completed before we could go ahead to the next ones. For example, this this way is a row and this way is a column. Now this column has only one value missing. Okay, so we could calculate it. And how do we calculate this? This plus this is supposed to give you this. Now to get this, to get the female swimming, it's going to be 79 minus 36. Okay, now 79 minus 36 is 43. So that means 43 will be here. This is basically addition and subtraction. Now let's check another one, maybe a complete row that is, or a complete row that has one missing value, or a complete column that has one missing value. This one can go, this one can go. Okay, so we check this one. This one now has one missing opening. To calculate this, we also do the same thing. This plus this should give you this. So for this is going to be this minus this. So for male athletics, is going to be 54 minus 19. 54 minus 19, and that will be 35. So here you have 35. Okay, now let's look for more rows or columns that have only one missing value rather. Now for this, now this one still has two missing values, so it won't go. For this row now, this one has one missing value. Okay, that means we could find this one, and this one is just a total of whatever is in all these rows. So for this total of male, you should have 35 plus 42 plus 36. So let's write that down. Total male, 36 plus 42 plus 35. 36 plus 42 plus 35, and it's going to give you 113. So 113 will be here. Now let's look for more rows or columns that have a missing value. This is complete, but this is not complete, so it won't go. This is complete. Now let's look at this one. This one has two missing ones, so it won't go. Now if you look at this one now, this and this is supposed to give you this. Okay, but we don't have total of female, so total of female is going to be 200 minus 113. 200 minus 113, and to give you 87. So that means 87 will be here. Okay, now we also see from here now that we only have one missing value here. Okay, and this missing value is going to be 87 minus this plus this. Okay, because this plus this plus this is supposed to give you this. Now since we have the one for athletics and the one for swimming, but we don't have this, we're going to add the value for athletics and swimming and subtract it from 87. Now women tennis, is going to be 87 minus 43 plus 19. 43 plus 19 is going to give you 25. So that means 25 is supposed to be here. Okay, now that gives us only one empty space, and that's this. And to get it, that's total for tennis. Total for tennis is this plus this, and that will give you 67. So total for tennis equal to 67. So you agree with me that this two-way table has been completed. So the basic thing about it is to find, let me just write that down for you. Find the row or column that has only a missing value or only one empty space, and you start from there and work out the other unknowns. Now this is basically the rule you follow when completing the table.